Hello, DeepSound. Let's look at the top I/O port configuration of the T3. The T3 features two dedicated ports. It includes a UT port and an encoder port. The UT port uses a Lemo 00 type connector. Connect the UT probe to the corresponding port. The other port follows the same connection method. The encoder port is a 15-pin 3-road type. Connect the encoder connector to the port. Align the pins correctly before inserting. Encoder data is synced with the device in real time. By enabling B-scan and C-scan modes, you can collect more precise and diverse data. Thanks for your watching.